Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss about JavaScript browser dev tools. JavaScript browser dev tools. Okay. In the browser tools, to help your inspect, test, debug, and optimize your web applications directly inside the browser. And most modern browser provide to dev tools such as Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge. Since many developers to use Chrome, examples below are based on the Chrome DevTools. Okay. And now, how to open the DevTools? How to open the DevTools? Okay. And go to browser. For example, in this h1 tag, welcome to DevTools. Okay, go to browser. In this browser, localhost JavaScript. Yes. In this right click, inspect. Inside the inspector, element, console, source, network, performance, memory, application, security, lighthouse, recorder. These all these the browser tools. Okay, and the second method F12. Yes, F12, using the F12 keyword, we can directly go to the dev tools. And or other one, Control Shift I. Control Shift I. Yes, you can directly to open the browser tools. So these important tabs in dev tools. Important tabs in dev tools. Okay, first one, elements tab. Elements tab. Okay, and second one, console tab. Third one, source tab. And fourth one, network tab. Network tab. Okay, first we will discuss one by one. First, elements tab. Okay, elements tab to use it to inspect and modify the HTML and CSS. Used to inspect and modify HTML and CSS. For example, h1 tag, h1 id, title. Okay, welcome. Here the first steps, open the dev tools And second step, go to Elements tab. And third one, click the H1 element. H1 element. Okay, in this you can to change the text and modify the styles and test CSS. Okay, and temporarily we'll check to change H1 tag welcome. Okay, now to change H1 to learn JavaScript. Okay, we'll check in the browser. This one to changes are temporary. That means only in browser. Okay, now we'll check. Okay, all this comment. Now go to browser, welcome. Now right click, go to inspect. Okay, and go to element. Go to element. Yes, in this element, click, just double click, learn JavaScript. Okay, yes, just yes. Okay, and this one is only for temporary. Next, coming to console tab. Console tab. Console tab to use it to see errors, print logs, and run JavaScript manually. Run JavaScript manually. Okay, example 1, view error. Okay, in this script tag console.log my variable. Okay, if my variable is not defined, console shows the uncaught reference error. That means my variable is not defined. We'll check. Okay, we'll check. Go to browser. Yes, click. Go to console. Yes, my variable is not defined. Okay, and next example 2. Example 2, to run JS directly. Okay, to run JS directly. That means refresh. Yes, console. 2 plus 3. Yes, 5. Output it is 5. That means you can access the page elements and okay, now document dot get element by ID, title, Okay, inner HTML, inner text, otherwise hello Shivakumar. Okay, now in this for example h1 tag, h1 id, title, welcome. Okay, now we'll check. Before that, welcome. Now to enter, in this script tab, now we'll check. Type error. This one ID get element by ID. Yes, and we'll check this one. Before that, now we'll write yes. Okay, next source tab. Source tab, this one to use it for debugging, setting breakpoints, and stepping through code. For example, script tag, function add a comma b, return a plus b, and return a plus b, let result is equal to add 5 comma 10. Next, console.log result. We'll check. Now open the source code, refresh. Yes, 15, and open the source code. Click JS. Open the source code. Yes. Click the JS and click the line number to send the breakpoint. Line number. Yes. Breakpoint. Yes. And watch the variables and refresh the page. Okay. Yes. Refresh the page. And execution stops at that line. Yes. Refresh the page. Yes. Getting error. and otherwise it stops. Refresh. Okay. Okay. In this, you can step over step into watch variables to check call stack. Next, coming to network tab. Network tab to use it to monitor API calls and Ajax calls, Ajax requests and page loading time. To very useful for your Ajax projects. It is very useful for your Ajax projects. Okay. For example, script tag. In this fetch HTTPS JSON placeholder dot type code.com posts. Okay, in this same dot then res is a arrow function, res JSON. Next coming to dot then data, same arrow console dot log data. Okay, now we will check. Refresh. Save. Refresh. In this console dot. Okay, data. We will get the data. Now in this to network tab, in this network tab you can request the URL and status codes 200, 404, 500 and response data. For example, to post data status is 200. Okay, in this to response, okay, response data. Okay, it will take time sometimes. Okay, in this status 404 it is not found. That means if file is not available, status will come in 404. Next coming to application tab. application tab. In this to use it to manage local storage, session storage and cookies. For example, local storage is equal local storage set item, okay, username and Shiva, okay. And this script tag, okay. In this go to refresh and go to applications. In the applications, go to local storage and view the data, okay. Refresh. Now, to clear the data, first of all, privacy, delete the cookies and save. Localhost, JavaScript, go to inspect, application, local storage. In the local storage, yes, Shiva, okay. And here you can delete and edit and values directly, okay. For example, local storage, remove item, key, username, yes, okay. Next, coming to performance tab, okay. In this performance tab, use it to analyze the page speed and detect a slow script. Analyze the page speed and detect a slow script, okay. And this one, just go to the refresh, go to the record, go to recorder. In this, we'll check the load time and script execution time and rendering time. In this, to load time, script execution time and rendering time, okay. Next, real-time debugging example, real-time debugging example. In this, suppose one button is not working, button, click me, okay. ID is equal to btn, okay. Now, to script tag, document dot get element by ID, button, add event listener, click, function, alert clicked. Okay, in this we'll check. Okay, refresh, localhost script, yes, yes. Now there is error, ID mismatch. Okay, we'll check the console. In this console, yes, cannot read the properties of null. Okay, read add event listener. In this to check ID, we'll change the button. Now we'll check, refresh, click, yes, clicked. Next, coming to live editing in DevTools. Okay, in this you can edit HTML, modify the CSS, and try JavaScript. Okay, example. Okay, in console, in the console, document body, style, background color is equal to light blue. Okay, now we'll check, yes. Okay, this one to instantly changes page background, instantly changes page background. Okay, suppose for example, if you click red, same we can type green, enter, yes, green. Okay, now why DevTools is important? Okay, number one, debug JavaScript. Errors. Number two, inspect HTML and CSS. Number three, monitor API calls. Number four, test changes instantly. Number five, improve performance. The final interview question for this, browser DevTools is a built-in development environment in browsers that helps to developer inspect, debug and optimize web applications by providing the tools like console, elements, network and source tabs. Browser dev tools is a built-in development environment in browsers that helps to developers inspect and debug and optimize web applications by providing tools like console, elements, network and source code, source tabs. Okay, the final summary for this browser dev tools helps in debugging JavaScript like console plus source codes. Next point number 2, to checking HTML, CSS, that means elements. Number 3, monitoring API calls, APIs, network tab. Next, managing storage, that means application. Next, improving performance, that means performance tab. Thank you.